Hi, I'm Carol. Was it good?
It's okay. That's normal. All right.
Good job, Grandma.
We're good.
When GE decided to look for the great American grandma, I couldn't help but think of my family and myself.
Thanks for dinner and everything, Grandma.
Hi, honey.
Hi. Oh, and they sang silly. Snip, snip. Then you get a nice fresh green bean.
Oh, green mustache.
And see the garlic on them, how delicious that looks? And I'm not kidding. They are really good. With 13 grandchildren and one on the way, 11 nieces and nephews, 5 children, 3 sisters, all their spouses, one amazing mother, and a wonderful husband, including many cats and dogs, there is nothing at our house more abundant than love and food. Okay, here they are. They're checking out how they make sushi. Oh, see how he rolls them up so fast? What do you think of that? Okay. Now we want the cooked kind, right?
Yeah. Okay, sure.
That one's crab meat.
Yeah, I love crab meat. That makes
The first is a California roll. Okay. That one's cooked. You like that one? Put that in our cart.
Is this one cooked?
That's cooked.
That's enough.
We're gonna go shop and then we'll come back and pick up our sushi, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Grab one out.
I love that. Can I pick?
Yeah. You can dip it in the soy sauce. Okay. That just cleans your palate, but you can chew on it. It's sour. If you like sour, you'll like it. You guys probably will like it. Do you like this?
It's okay.
Okay. I love it.
There's always somebody coming into my kitchen because I make sure to include them. You're gonna taste this.
You want a little more of water?
Okay, you ready? All right, now,
What do you
I
call
want
that
you to
flavor?
yes, take a bite and tell me what you think. Fried ice cream.
Blue.
And
Very blue.
what do you
Blueberry.
think?
Yeah, very blue.
Cool. When you're done with that, please, you tell me and I'll get you another one, okay?
Wow.
New Year's Eve hors d'oeuvres.
Wow.
Casey and Allie
Carol
helped me
has
make them.
Gone over the top again.
Can we help you? I'll do it.
Casey helped. Good job, Case. Allie,
at
good
that.
job.
Thank you.
You dip
Thank
your
you,
vegetables
Casey
in
and
that,
Allie.
you know. There's Dave going for the meatballs.
Hi, honey.
I mean, I like that.
Eat it.
Where's the plate?
There are no rules, and everything is subject to change, as long as it includes fun. And fun it is.
Yeah,
All right.
it's Thanksgiving. Yeah.
Did you get the cranberries out? Happy Thanksgiving! Happy Thanksgiving!
I had to go in and like specify.
Hi, Allie. Happy Thanksgiving. Hi, Jackson. Happy Thanksgiving. Hi, Austin Landon. Because in my kitchen, my family is always included, one way or another. Like bake it a little and it softens. It has just, it bursts with flavor. I ate this so much when I was in France. And the cranberry sauce, they think of the holidays with the cranberry sauce. And then, just for a twist, the tortilla, it adds a little Mexican to it. And I think it's gonna be real tasty. So before we begin, since I baked them up and I want them to taste good, if you don't like it, I don't mind if you spit it out as long as you don't make gross sounds. So it's not like I'm forcing you to eat it, but I thought you might like to try it because it's one of my favorite things, okay? So, I hope you're all happy. So if you would like to try one, go for it. If you're not game, you don't have to do anything. And the other thing, the French, whenever they eat cheese, they always have a piece of fruit. So I made sure to buy the grapes so that you could have a grape with it. Yeah, there's Dave trying it. The fruit with the cheese. It's delicious. Now I think I'll try one myself. I'll take this one.
Wow.
Yum.
What do you think?
That's yummy.
Yeah, it's good. I mean,
You'll like it.
Is that good or what? Unbelievably good.
Delicious. Better than I thought.
Just look at some of the pictures of things that we have made. I sure wish you could take a bite. We've made everything from themed dishes on to holiday delights. You name it, we've probably made it. The neat thing is we have so many people, we make multiple items every time we get together. Our kitchen is never closed. So for the summer pear salad, we're going to start with 5 nice sized pears. And first thing we have to do is to core them. We take out where the seeds are. So first you use a knife, and then you just take a spoon and just twist around so that you get a hollow inside. So when you're done coring, you'll actually have a hollow pear that still stands up. And you're going to do this to 5 pears. Then what we do is we take a knife and we cut 3 places, not all the way through, as you can see, so that we'll be able to fill up the hollow spot and we'll be able to fill in between the slices. You're going to get some baby tender salad greens, and you're going to add in about 2 tablespoons of pecans. Next, you add in crumbled blue cheese, about 2½ ounces. Now you toss. Pick whatever type of vinaigrette that you would like. I like raspberry vinaigrette, so I've chosen that. And you put on the raspberry vinaigrette, or whichever one you choose, onto the salad. We stuff the pears in the middle, and the last thing we're going to do is we're going to drizzle it with honey. Just a little bit of honey on the top of each one to let the sweetness run down. You have a beautiful and unique summer pear salad. Enjoy.
It's weird, I think. The ice doesn't make it taste.
Why does your face look like that?
You don't like it?
You wanted coconut milk.
Like a shot. Hey!
Kaylee, have some more.
It's good.
Caitlin and I are about to make the world's best cheesecake. Cheesecake is ready to come out of the oven. Now we'll let it cool. Now that the world's best cheesecake has cooled, we are going to take a knife and just press against the side and cut around just to make sure that there's no crust that had accidentally stuck onto our springform pan. When you're done, you can put your favorite topping on top of the cheesecake. I and Caitlin like cherry, so we're putting cherry on. So you just buy pie filling out of a can and you spread it just in the middle. You don't have to go all the way to the edge. In fact, it looks good if you put it just in the middle. Bring it up and chill it for 1 hour at a minimum, and it's ready to eat. Best is overnight. This is the world's best cheesecake ever, and it's the first time that these boys are trying it, and so we're going to see what they think.
It was really good though.
I think I need another. Very fluffy.
Do you eat it again?
Of course.
Of course, yeah. If someone makes it for me.
Cool.
Yeah.
Or if I know how to make it, you know? I wish there was some video.
Cool.
Wow.
Sounds like a great American grandma to me. What do you think?